Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the conversion factor. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Once that's clear, make sure your measurement of liters is in a single numeric form, decimal or fraction, because mixing formats slows you down. Multiply the liters by 1,000 immediately. You don't need extra steps. For example, 0. 75 L times 1,000 becomes 750 ml. If you're converting many values, set up a column and apply the same multiplication rule to each entry so errors don't creep in. You now perform the core work. Multiply each liter value by 1,000. If a measurement is 1/2L, convert it to 0. 5L first, then multiply to yield 500 ml. Make sure to preserve precision. If measurements require 3 decimal places, keep them through the calculation and only round at the end. Once done, label every result with ml so values are unambiguous. If you're using spreadsheets, apply a simple formula and fill down to convert lists quickly and consistently. You finish by validating each converted value. Divide the milliliters by 1,000 to recover the original liters and confirm accuracy. Make sure you round only when required and record the precision used so others know how you handled values. If something goes wrong, look first for a misplaced decimal or a missed unit label. Those are the most common errors. Finally, make a habit of writing both the original liters and final ml together for traceability. This prevents confusion during later checks or handoffs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.